guys, what's up, it's Lara. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make fake nails. I'm going to show you guys on how to make it on one nail just for this video. It's actually really cool because this way is with cotton, and yes, you see it right, it's cotton. It actually really works, and it looks real in my opinion. And as you guys saw by the thumbnail and everything, it looks real to me. So I'm going to show you guys on how to do that. So the stuff you need are just the cotton, of course. You don't need a lot. You literally don't need a lot. But I'm going to show you guys. I just have like this much. And you have to have top coat, just clear polish. This little thing, I don't know what's called in English, but you know what this is, just to kind of like plug these little things, you know. A scissor that is supposed to like cutting clothes and stuff, you know. Yeah, that's it. I also know how to make gel nails, so how to like make acrylic nails. This is just like the basic things that I'm going to show you guys. And if you want me to make another part just to show you guys how to make, like, you have gel nails, then I also want to make a tutorial, just know in the comments. So yeah, let's do this. Okay guys, this is literally so easy. So I'm going to show you guys on this nail because I think that's just really good to see in this video. Basically, the first step is you have to take your clear polish, like the top coat, and you have to just bring one coat on like this. Now you're gonna take this, like the cotton, and this tool, and you're gonna take this much, and you're gonna put it on here like this. And it looks weird, I know, but I know what I'm doing. So if you need, like, you can see there's a lot of here, and on the other side, on this side, there isn't a lot of like cotton. So to stick this on, you have to take some polish, put this on, take a little bit more, and just stick it on. It's gonna take a little bit more. And this looks really weird, and I know. You can also kind of use your finger as a tool. And you can already kind of shape it, as you guys can see. Now take the polish again and go to the side. So I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it really good. So basically, you're gonna go to the sides, just here, just to blend it with your nail. Okay. Just gonna stick this on, and yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more here just to cover everything. You don't have to start like by your cuticles, just here upwards. Sometimes it's kind of like struggling, but if you know how it works, then it's easier. So this is how it looks so far. And this is the back. The back is also really important because you can see these little stuff. Wait. So now you're gonna take your polish again, and you're gonna make sure this is wet, kind of with the polish, because what the polish does is it brings like the nail in like the shape, and it makes it hard. So you can do stuff with it actually. So I'm not sure if you can sleep with it, or like you can actually wash your hands with it, but I actually tried that. But I don't know if you can use it like if you want to sleep or something. I don't know if that's really good. I haven't tried that. So yeah, you can try it out. So this really don't want to stick. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit cotton here. You have to kind of like see what you like. If you need a little bit more, then just put it on where you want. Sometimes it does work perfectly, and sometimes it doesn't really it will work, but then sometimes like, yeah, I don't know, it won't work. Make sure the back is also really good in shape. That's how it looks like so far. And I'm gonna put a little bit polish here in the middle, so I can take a little bit more and I can put it in the middle. And now this is really soft, it isn't sticky. So now you're gonna just go with your clear polish on. And you can make it how long you want, but I don't want to make it really, really long. Also make sure you do the sides. So look, this isn't really like, wait, focus. This isn't really like neat, so you can always fix that with a little bit of polish just to go. And now it's actually kind of the time where you can decide your shape and how long you want it to be. So now you're gonna take your scissor and you're gonna cut it in the shape and the length you want. Okay, so this is how it looks like so far. I'm not done yet. So you can shape it, you can make it how long you want. Yeah, you can make it a little bit longer, but this is how it looks like. Okay, so you can see this little, please focus, oh yes. So you can see this little spot right there, right here. You can fix that by cutting it off, or you can fix that by putting a little bit more on there, just to kind of like put this on here so you can't see it. Yeah, so that's just up to you. What I'm gonna do is just cut it. So this isn't my best one because I've made this one. I did my nails in this way a couple times. This isn't my best one, so I actually have a photo that I made on Snapchat. So yeah, that's also me that you guys maybe saw in the thumbnail. I actually don't know. But yeah, this is it. You can also color it, and yeah. But if you want me to make a tutorial on how to color it and to make sure it looks like you have gel nails, then make sure to say that in the comments, because I also know how to do that. I actually figured it out. I didn't steal the idea or something. I've never saw someone do this. I actually did this on just a very weird way, but it actually looks real. So don't say in the comments I stole this, because I've never seen someone do this. And also the color part, if you guys want me to make a video about. So this is how it looks like. So this is the video. I'm actually done. I know it's not my best one, to be honest, but it does work. And if you try this a couple times, like the first time maybe it doesn't really work because it's like your first time. I think the third or fourth time is the best. We're gonna be making it really good, or my second time was the best, but it just depends on you. So yeah, it's really easy and really fast, especially if you know how to do it and like the techniques and stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you tried it, make sure to comment below, and also make sure to comment below if I should make a video about how to color it, how to look like you have gel nails, and or like acrylic nails, how you want to call it. So yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel with the bell. Bye!